Maybe you have a giant list of expenses, customer information, or inventory, and you just want to focus on a specific part of it. Well, fear not. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how to use filter in Google Sheets. To create filter in Google Sheets, just select the data, or you can also just select the headers and then click on the data tab. After that, click on the create filter view option. Here the filter view has been created. As you can see, a filter icon will be available besides the header. Just click on the icon, and if you have used the colors in your worksheet, you can use the filter by color option. We are going to choose the filter by condition for this example. Just click on the filter by condition option and then the drop down menu. Here various options are available. You can use any of them as per your choice. We are going to use the text contains, and actually we need to see the products with shoes only. So we'll just type the shoes and then click on the OK button. And here the products with the shoes will be shown. And to cancel this, just remove the value and then click on the OK button. Here it came back to normal. Now the third option is filter by values. You can see all the products are available here. Just if you want to exclude any of the products from the worksheet, just click on the product and you have selected black shoes, gray shoes. We will remove all the shoes for this example. So we just unmark those products and just click on OK button. As you can see, all the products has been filtered. This is how you use filter in Google Sheets. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.